Good morning.
Good morning.
What do you say to all the YouTubers watching you right now?
Good morning.
What was that?
I'm gonna break it.
Reveal yourself.
It's Colton.
All right, guys, it's a very rainy, gloomy day. Look at this. It's gross out there. And it's like 40-something degrees. So we're doing... You guys want to come along? Of course you do.
It's a special day.
It is a special day. Check out what I did here. I wrote the clues on this piece of paper, and then I used the puzzle to make a puzzle with them. And they're going to have to put them back together. Now, I need you to go somewhere, Izzy, where you can't see where I hide all the treasure.
I'm gonna just go in my eyes.
Yeah, I don't trust that.
Hey, watch this.
Wow, very good. You're not going to peek? Okay. All right. Izzy and Colton have their eyes covered, so I'm going to hide all the treasure. Can't tell you guys where it is, though. So hang on. When we come back, they'll have their first clue and be ready to get started. All right, here we go. They got their first clue. They have to put it together to see what it is. You got to put the puzzle together, Colton, before you can read what the clue is. Izzy, are you going to help him? Yep, here we go. There's 5 clues total, and after you find the 5 clues, then you guys will be able to find the main treasure. Okay, you gotta put it together. Did you get the puzzle done?
No, I only have one more piece.
All right, flip it over. Let's see what it says. All right, what does it say? Can you guys read it?
Too hard to read.
Yeah, you want me to read it?
Yeah.
It's what has eyes but cannot see, but can't see. What has eyes but can't see?
A potato.
A potato.
Could it have the potato thing one?
Yes, of course. But there's lots of puzzles pieces. Let's see if you can put them together. Let's go put the puzzle pieces together. Come on, quick.
Together.
All right, Colton, how's the puzzle coming? Are you missing some pieces? Uh-oh. Izzy, maybe you should come try to find the rest of the pieces while Colton puts it together.
Wait, no, Colton has enough.
No.
That's all the pieces.
There should be 8 pieces. How many pieces does he have?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Uh-oh, we're missing 2 pieces, Izzy. There should be 8.
The head.
Well, come help me find them. Quick, they gotta be in this pantry. Come on, Izzy.
Look at the potatoes. Potatoes? Yeah. Potato. Potato.
Do you see them in there, Izzy?
One.
Oh, Izzy found one of them. Good. There's one more. Did you guys look in here?
No. Oh.
You
Hey,
see
we
one?
can put it in there.
Yay, that has potatoes in it too. All right, Izzy, you found them. Good job. Come on.
Can you use that, Colton?
Good job.
I'm such a good sister.
You are such a good sister.
Yeah.
Oh.
Peppa Pig.
Izzy, it doesn't say Peppa Pig, but it does say, I wear a red dress and have a snout.
It's Peppa.
Yep. Where's Peppa?
Upstairs.
I don't know if you can tell, but Izzy helped me with some of the clues.
Hurry.
Oh, okay. Oh, now I have to hold her too. She helped me with the clues. You helped me with the clues. Do you like these treasure hunts?
Yes.
Have you guys been waiting patiently since like 9:30 to do this?
Yeah. I wait for long days for you to do puzzle treasure hunt.
Well, we started this idea at 9:30 and now it's 12:17. So they waited a long time. Now there's Peppa. Did you guys find the puzzles yet?
They're in here. Hello, guys. Oh, hello. Yeah, hello. It's in the house.
All right. You have to put that puzzle together and then you get the clue.
I have to do it right here. I'm going to do it right here. Anyone help me? Sure. Can you give me some pieces?
You have all the pieces.
Here, Izzy. I'm gonna put them on the floor and you can give me the pieces. There.
Okay.
Put them in the pile. Put them in the pile.
This is extreme sharing. Izzy, what's that little jump you're doing?
It's fun. Just have a puzzle, then jump up with the puzzle.
Oh, show that to us again.
And it's, grab a puzzle and a puzzle piece and jump up.
Nice. How's that puzzle coming, Colton?
Not good. I see it.
Oh, this is the hard one?
Yeah, this is kind of hard.
Oh, my shadow is right there.
Now we can do it.
You got it now?
I got it.
It's Woody. He's coming together.
Wait. It's not clues.
Well, yeah, the clue's in my pocket. Once the puzzle's done, I'll give you the clue. That's how we did these ones, because remember, because I've been working on cutting those puzzles out for like the last 3 hours. Uh-oh, you guys are missing a piece.
I know.
Don't worry, Colton found it.
What? Daddy, what happened? There was a big area. I had it.
What does it say?
No.
Hinge.
No.
What? You know what it is already?
I already know what it is.
Well, for the viewers, no hinge, lock, or key, but golden treasure is hidden within. All right, well, let's go. Izzy said it.
I already know what it is.
Come on, Izzy, hurry.
I gotta hurry. Watch this thing. I can stand like this and jump down.
Wow.
Come on.
Let's go.
Why is this still up here?
I don't know.
Where's the puzzle?
Where are the eggs? Hurry, Izzy.
The eggs are up. Eggs are up.
Hey, don't climb in there. What are you doing? Where are the eggs, Izzy? Where are the eggs usually at?
Oh, here they are. Up.
How do you open that?
I don't know how to.
Man, is anybody else getting anxiety from this fridge being open for so long? Hurry, Colton, get out of there and close the fridge. Close the fridge. Oh, don't slam it. All right, put it together.
They're freezing cold. Yeah, they're freezing cold.
They're really cold.
Cody, you are freezing cold too.
All right,
My hands are freezing cold.
come on, let's put them together so you guys can get the next clue. All right, here's the clue. What does it say? That's the back. That's the back. That's just a picture. Turn it around. Turn it around to the words. Listen to the words coming out of my mouth.
Whoa. Daddy, watch this.
What?
What?
It's
Good. What?
good job. What gets wetter?
What do you get water? Well, it dries.
Yeah, as it dries. A towel. Ooh.
Is it in here?
No.
Oh, you're not in there. Is it in there?
There's a lot of towels in the house.
Bathroom.
Yeah, what bathroom though?
Come over here. Ready? Is it in here? Is it in here?
No.
It's not in there, Izzy. It's up here. It's up here, bathroom. Colton. It's up here, buddy.
Go faster, Izzy.
I can't.
Wait, why not?
Because my feet are slowing down.
Your feet are slowing you down.
Yeah. Really? Colton, let me stand on the stove.
Why? It's not up there.
Okay.
Now here's the biggest puzzle. Oh man, are you guys gonna be able to do it?
Yeah. I can sit on the but then what the supplies?
Well, this last clue is a map that'll lead you to the surprise. Yep.
We gotta hold it. It's a map. It's a map. This is the mayor puzzle. Huh? This is the mayor puzzle.
Mayor? You mean Maine?
Mayor.
All right, Izzy, get down there and help Colton.
All
right. This is a really big puzzle, so we will come back when you guys have finished the puzzle. Let's cut to the finished version. Whoa. This is so cool. Man, you guys have the coolest dad ever. It's upside down. All right, let's see what the first clue says here. We might not really be able to read it.
Is it?
Begin with your reflection. That looks like the downstairs mirror. Wait, you need the map. Is you gonna carry the map?
I'm not taking it.
Ah, fine.
No.
So we walked downstairs and I smelled something like burning pizza, and this is what we found.
Pizza.
It's really hot. It's not edible. I mean, it's like cardboard. That's hot, right? So what are we gonna do for lunch? We're not gonna eat ice cream for lunch, Izzy. Let's just finish our treasure hunt, and then we'll get Mommy and ask her what she wants to do for lunch. Maybe we'll just have sandwiches. What? Okay, here's the reflection. Well, what's the next clue on here? It says start with your reflection and then go to the 5 pictures with eyes. And then it has a little picture of pictures. Did you guys see that? Go to the 5 pictures with eyes. Look at the picture there. 5 pictures with eyes. Do you see anything like that in your reflection? Do you see anything like that in your reflection? The 5 pictures with eyes. Those are windows. Do you guys see in the reflection here, do you see 5 pictures with eyes? Okay, so now that you've found those, it says find pictures from that special day. What special day is pictured up here?
Them.
Yeah, but what's the special day?
I know that one.
No, that is just a regular day. What was the ones that are from a special day? What's a special day?
Oh, that one. In the middle? That one?
That one?
That one or that one?
Well, those are both from the same day. What special day was that?
What was that?
Yeah, what special day were those from?
When you guys got married.
Yeah, so we need to find more pictures from our wedding. Where are the other wedding pictures? Are they in the hallway?
Yes, I think they are.
Okay. Don't forget the map.
Wait, no, I got
Izzy, that is not a wedding picture.
a wedding picture.
Okay. Oh, look. That kind of looks like this picture down there too. All right, next it says, find the white keys that start with the letter C. Find the white keys. What does that picture kind of look like down there? In the bottom right?
Which one? Right
Yeah,
here?
there. Yeah, what does that kind of look like?
No, Dad.
The white keys that start with the letter C. Do you guys see, it's the end of the map. Do you guys see an X or anything?
Here.
You have to dig under the X.
Whoa! My cookies, we get daughters, Izzy! We get daughters. Get daughters, Izzy. Wait, this one. We get daughters.
Yeah, for after lunch.
We get daughters.
And money for whatever you guys were saving for. Man, that was fun. Go.
Thank you for watching our treasure hunt. Subscribe.
What else are you going to tell them to do? Smash the like button
Let's like button.
and watch another video.
Watch another video.
And then give them your best smile.